So a useful little accessory has just been released for the brand new Osmo Action. It's a multi-battery charging hub. Let's take a closer look. I'm Ash from DroningON, and yes, the Osmo Action has been out for a few days now. Hopefully you've seen our earlier reviews. If you haven't, then click subscribe so that you don't miss more content about this brand new camera, and also take a look at our channel for the videos that we've launched so far. This new little accessory has just been launched. Let's take a closer look at it. It basically allows you to charge your batteries in parallel, 3 batteries at a time, and links to it are in the video description if you want to see the current price, because it's brand new. I don't know how much it costs yet. We'll be looking at lots more accessories for the Osmo Action over the coming weeks, so be sure to click that subscribe button and enjoy the review. So here is the DJI charging hub for the brand new Osmo Action camera. And it's a really tiny little compact unit. Very light plastic construction. On the side here we've got a USB-C port for charging it. Now one benefit is you don't have to use a mains adapter. You can also actually use a power bank with a USB cable to power this, so you can charge your batteries up when you're on the move. You've also got little LEDs by each bay here, and there are 3 bays in total, and there's a button on the front. So the first thing we can do is we can take a battery, one of the Osmo Action batteries, pop it into here, and when we press the button on the front, it gives us an indication as to how charged the battery is. You can see the green LED there blinking 3 times, which means that that battery is almost fully charged. However, if we take a battery out of our camera, and I know that this battery is almost dead, put it into the charging bay and press the button again, you'll see that that battery just blinks once, so we know that the battery needs charging up. Let's do that again. There you go. Now I've got a really lovely power bank here. It's by a company called Helper. It's a 20,000 milliamp, but the other great thing about it is it's actually got the USB high power USB-C ports, which actually, I think it's something like 85 watts, so that it will actually charge up my XPS 15 laptop. Really, really useful. But anyway, I'm gonna use this power bank to charge up our little Osmo Action batteries here. Now that that's plugged in, if I turn on my power bank, you'll see that the batteries start charging. That one's flashing 3 times rapidly, which tells us that it's almost finished. But the other good thing, I wasn't expecting this, it charges them in parallel. So you don't have to wait for one to charge and then the other. It charges them all at the same time. So you can have 3 batteries fully charged and ready for use very, very quickly. So that's a quick look at the brand new multi-charging hub for the Osmo Action. Links to it are in the video description. Be sure to comment below. We'll have lots of other accessory reviews coming very soon, so be sure to click subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching.